Egan's got a thick face. Have you seen her?
What are you doing, bro? You're dumb. You're dumb.
Friends be on that remix before that.
Baggy's not going first.
Bean Boozle challenge.
I'm not going first.
I'll go first.
Bloody did.
Actually, no. We'll do a little thing.
Let's show them the flavours.
Yeah, got flavours, boy. Let me read them out. What? Spoiled milk or coconut, dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie, skunk spray or licorice, mouldy cheese, caramel popcorn, bath peach, canned dog food, chocolate pudding, bogies, juicy pear, rotten egg, butter popcorn, stinky socks, tutti frutti, lawn clippings or lime.
Shoot. 1, 2, shoot.
Fuck yeah.
1, 2, shoot.
Okay, Joker, you're fucked. Joker's on the thing.
Yeah, you have to read what flavours they are. It's like licorice or something.
Skunk spray or licorice.
Go on then.
Alright, fuck it.
I hope it's grim. Is it good? Oh, it's not good. Spit it onto that.
Hello. That wasn't that bad, but it was still like
King. You have to pour it onto your hand. Oh no, that's like vomit or something. Not even joking. It's like
Rotten egg or butter popcorn.
oh, it's like frog spawn. I hope it's bad. Is that bad?
rotten egg is really bad.
Is that oh. I like breathe towards me.
That tastes like shit tonight. Oh fuck. That's bogey or something. A bogey or pear.
Lime or lawn clippings? Oh. Oh, it's lawn clippings, but it tastes grim. Fuck that.
Butter, so I got
Lime or lawn clippings.
Lawn clippings taste like fucking shit. Not even joking.
No, I got a lawn clipping.
It tastes shit. It tastes like arse. You have to be the first one to swallow it. Just fuck.
that's AIDS.
It's quite. They find it hard to breathe.
There's gonna be beans everywhere.
Right.
Bin Bilzels can't be good for you.
Okay, this is
We need some sort of container.
skunk spray or licorice.
Wait,
Or if you get skunk spray.
we need some sort of container to stick it in.
I'm actually scared.
You'll know she got skunk spray.
None of them are good. I swear to God. They're all just shit.
I think that's meant to be skunk spray, but it actually tastes kind of nice. That wouldn't taste like licorice. Such kind of pan.
Oh no, because
Oh, you've got a drink
dog
with you.
food or some shit.
Or a brown one for dog food or something.
What could the white one be?
What sport milk? Just do it.
No, I'm not about that.
Nah, do it.
Wait, what?
Add up the snap. Add up the Snapchat, bro.
Man's got no 4G.
I want that green one.
my team.
That weird green one.
No, just do
I
it.
don't know what the fuck this one is.
Hey.
It's juicy pear or boogers.
Juicy pear or boogers?
That's a dewy pear.
It's a fucking... This is like fucking lawn clippings again.
To be fair, they are nearly the same colour.
Your white skin is throwing off my white balance. Bad.
What did I do?
Alright, come on, brother. Wait, actually, come back and get a tape. King's thing. See that? King's thing. See that?
Coming soon.
Where for lip out, bro?
Yeah, I'm more than on that beat. I've been moving problems, starting trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful, it's a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. Friends be on that remix before that shit release. Ducking every single trash rapper I see. Someone call up Gordon cause I'm chefing these beats. Hop up out the kitchen if
Egan's got a thick face. Have you seen her?
What are you doing, bro? You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dick.
Riley, my camera bag's still not done up. Did you get the Louis? Boy, we've got to get out of here quick.
Bro, can you hear the fucking alarms, bro? Look how many police cars are there.
Oh, wait, no, wait.
Bro, can you hear? Listen. You can fucking hear it. You can hear the alarm. Sirens, listen.
No, there was a security car, I think, that went past as, like, we went out. So I walked that way because otherwise it was bait.
No, I heard... Oh, no, come here.
No, walk through the fucking forest and get some sick photos.
Yeah, look, he's sick. Look, he's bird.
friends be on that remix before that shit release.